Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super easy tutorial for Hyundai Ioniq hybrid owners. We're going to walk you through changing the remote battery in your Hyundai Ioniq key fob. The best part? You won't need any special tools, just a new CR2032 battery and your Hyundai Ioniq key fob. Let's get started. Start by removing the key from your Hyundai key fob. Simply push on the small metal circular button at the bottom of the fob, pull the key out, and use it for the next step. Once the key is out, use it to pry open the back of the key fob. Insert it into the top of the fob, twist it, and the fob will pop open. Make sure the buttons are facing downward to prevent them from falling out. Set aside the fob buttons along with their plastic covering. Your goal is to access the circular CR2032 battery, so you'll need to remove these to get to it. With the back of the key fob open, you'll now see the old battery inside. Take note of which way the battery is facing, and then gently remove it from the key fob. You can use your key to help pop it out if needed. Now, it's time to insert the new CR2032 battery into your Hyundai key fob. Make sure you place it in the same orientation as the old one. Once the new battery is securely in place, put everything back in the key fob that you removed earlier, including the buttons and their plastic covering. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the remote battery in your key fob. It's a quick and straightforward DIY task that anyone can do at home, and you saved yourself a trip to the dealership. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with fellow Hyundai owners. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Until next time, drive safely.